Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about how to add manifest shipper address to a shipment in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into our Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how our dashboard looks. Open the respective shipment. Now, we will be navigated to the shipment screen. Here we have to click on the edit button. On the edit shipment info page, we can see the manifest shipper address column. There we have to provide the address. After providing the manifest shipper address, click on the Save Changes button. Now, the manifest shipper address will be added to the shipment screen. This is how to add manifest shipper address to a shipment in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.